Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will share about new Highmark Stadium construction update. The new facility would be built across the street from Highmark Stadium on Abbott Road between Southwestern Boulevard and Big Tree Road, where Lot 2, Lot 3 and the current bus and limo lots are located. A large plaza is part of the plan, as well as a new operations building south of the new facility and a number of new parking lots. Take a look at the construction progress of new stadium of Buffalo Bills. With clearing area and leveling in preparation for foundations and base structure. The current home of the Buffalo Bills, Highmark Stadium, will be demolished and eventually turned into new parking areas for fans. That process will not begin until the transfer of land of the proposed site between Erie County and New York State is completed, which is expected to happen after the new stadium is finished and operational in 2026. The demolition of the current stadium and construction of new parking on the site is expected to take 6 to 8 months. While that process is taking place, there is the expectation that parking will be temporarily impacted during construction, which could include the first season at the new stadium. Options and alternatives will be looked at as the process moves forward. Construction for the Buffalo Bills' new stadium began at $1.4 million, but overruns have reportedly increased the price to nearly $1.7 million. The Bills' new venue, which will be called Highmark Stadium just like the current one, is set to open in 2026.